go ahead and get started. Wells is going to be late. I don't know where Amine is, but I want to do a quick stand up. I got a really busy day today, so let's move as fast as we can here. Amit, why don't you start for us, please?
Yes, John. So today again I work on N plus one issue for other one. So JD, I see we are getting N plus one issue for creator also, topic creator also. And I checked the code you already added a data loader there, but I have added some more code there, some added fixes. So creator pull request for it.
Yeah, I did see that. So
Mm.
I wonder why that was getting flagged as an N plus one.
Mm.
We'll see because I see it now. It's like happening like
Mm.
it's a day, which is
Yeah.
weird.
Mm.
Um, but yeah,
So
let's
I
just
have added, yeah, I have added some fixes for there. So we need to check will it work or not. So we need to test it. So I tested locally and I'm getting the data there, but need to test on QA something.
yeah. Is everything good for this PR? We could put it in QA to test, but I want to take
Yes.
a look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm.
oh, okay.
And
Good.
one more
But
thing I on JD,
uh-huh.
image metadata also, image metadata.
Uh-huh.
So I created data loader but did not have committed the code because I need UDF supporting for image metadata. So where I will pass multiple image key. So can you please
Uh
make the change?
yeah. Can you send me in the code where you want this to replace or the UDF that we need to replace? Just make sure
Yeah,
the data.
one more. I'm sharing my screen.
Let's before we do too much, I'm going to merge what you have in a
Mhm.
QA. Oh, you're
Okay.
gonna have to take it out as a draft too, or maybe can I do that? No, you're gonna have to
Let
take
me.
that PR out of a draft so we can merge it.
Let- Yeah, let me do it. So yeah, John. So here is my status. You can continue with other. So I'm working on fixing those issues.
All right, thank you. Jerry, are you ready to go with your update?
Yeah, I want to meet with Ismail today about implementing the players for SoundCloud on playlist and for songs. We got that done. Uh,
Okay.
that's pretty much what I was doing Friday. I know we had the movers construction crew, and I've pretty much been sick all weekend and just getting over it. So
That's no fun.
yeah, just getting back in the real roll of things.
Okay. Okay. Do you need anything from Ismail at the moment, or you want to set some time aside after stand up?
No, yeah, I can meet with him after.
Okay. All right. Let's plan on doing that. Um, Ismail, you want to give your update?
Yeah, sure. So I finished the chat or the photo gallery um, reactions. I also did cache updates on chat that also still need to be reviewed, both PRs. And I'm finishing up my final PR, which is going to be around invites inside SOT. So I need to bring that back where you'd see the invite word, and if you click it, it would send an invitation, whether
Great.
they're in your SOT or friends, and you have them in contact.
Perfect. Okay.
And yeah, I need to meet up with Jerry afterwards as well.
Okay. Very good. Any questions for Jerry at the moment or anything else?
No, not at the moment.
Okay. Okay, good, good. Amin just joined. Hey, Amin, are you available for give your update?
Yeah, sure. So yeah, I was working on the flash list with the new architecture and everything. The last issue we're facing is like when you paginating, there will be like a jump when you like the pagination just happens. Yeah, and we were like having this theory that because we have different item types, it was causing the jump because we need to access a little bit flash list so it can so it can be optimized for that. So on Friday, that what I was working on, but with no success, with no luck. Like I found I found like you can say a hack, not a hack. It's like a workaround, but I'm afraid it will hurt us more than it's gonna fix us. So basically, it's like so flashlights like relies on this recycling items as so it's like optimizing for memory users. So what I did, it was like it was a one line change, which means which means it's like it's not gonna be doing recycling to a point, and that fixed the pagination jump. And the bottom line of this, it's like this is like an internal bug in Flash list, this new Flash list. Because like there's two people reported the same issue with their
Mhm.
pagination. There's like a jump or UI glitch there.
Oh.
So yeah, it's in their implementation. Also, I was like, let me try Legend Grace. I'm not sure if you remember that Legend Grace.
Hmm.
And that was not it was not doing any jump when I was scrolling. There was some other issues, but like the jump it was not there.
Mm.
So
Hmm.
and I went and I looked up inside the source code. Tried to use EI to help me. Like I used that cloud that Ismail suggested. Like I've been like working with the AI like for 2 hours, 3 hours straight. Like every solution he suggested it was not really working. So yeah, with no luck there. So I like yeah, I can include that's like in their internal. It's an internal bug that we
Mm.
cannot like do anything much for it, but I'm sure it's gonna be fixed
Mhm.
because like they just released the V2, so they're gonna be expecting bugs to happen from other people, and there are already two people reported the same issue we're having. So
Okay.
and it's evolved around maintaining the scoring position. And this V2, it was like like the big thing about it. It's like gonna be maintaining the score position, but
And
it's
is it
it's what
is it maintaining the scroll position? Is it that part working at least?
yeah, it works. But like as you scroll again, as you like paginate, it's not because like
Hmm.
the maintaining the score position happens in a lot of places. It's like when a new message added as a, like a new message being just sent or as you scroll, they're like doing it in different places.
But
But
you've
in
got
this
it
case,
to where if a new message comes in, it maintains the position.
yeah, that works.
What about when I saw the paginated content refetched? Yeah.
Oh yeah. So that it's like an expo image. So like it's not the whole content. It's just like the images they are flickering. And that's like a known issue in the expo image when it's been used inside flash list. And there is like like they fixed it because like when they first released it, people noticed that and they fixed it. And I'm using the latest expo image, so I went and I used what they're like suggesting, which is like something called recycling key. That recycling key needs to be like a unique and stable, and it should not be changing as items are changing. It should be, but still, it was like the flicker happening. So when I just like went back and not use the expo image and I used the fast image, there was like no flicker or anything when the new items added. So that's like an expo image issue, and I'm not really sure right now because like I had to move to the expo image because the fast image that we're using is dead. And when I was like having this issue, I went I looked up and I found like a fork. And a fork, it's like in the open source, it's like when someone like is gonna clone the repo, but it's gonna build on top of it. So the community, since the fast image was being used a lot, like they forked this to one that it's maintained right now.
Hmm.
Like, but
We
just
were.
maintain.
Did we you used to use the one that was forked, or we use the
You
original?
know, we use the original that it's dead.
Hmm. Okay. And the
And
forked one is still going strong.
yeah, like people are using it, and there's no problem with it. Because like I didn't know about it. If I did, I would not migrate to the experiment. And
Uh,
like migration, it's not like a lot of work. It's just like changing the library name and all of that. Like it's just line of code because like the APIs they are all similar. Like you don't have to change a lot of code. And now I'm thinking like and remember like in onboarding when you were like scrolling some list, things
mm,
are jumping.
mhm.
That's expo image.
Mm,
So yeah, that's explain. It's like introducing issues. I mean, because like the implementation, it's different than what's fast image. That makes sense. But since there's this fast image, the flow fast image that it's maintained, it's good. I'm thinking of like just use that, and we don't have, and we won't be having a lot of things breaking
okay. Okay. Um, are you using it right at the moment?
in the chat. Yes,
Okay.
like I used and works like there's no flicker or re-rendering of items as you scroll.
Okay. Yeah, because there was a Flickr and the re-render, like the profile pictures were re-rendering. That
Yeah, like yeah, that's all fixed.
mm, that's good. Okay. And so we just wait um for Flash
Yeah,
to fix their thing.
yeah.
Okay. Um with the jump. And then other than that, is it behaving how you want?
Yeah, like beside the jump, it was only that issue that we were seeing. Yes, and there's like other issue in the other lists, like the feed. Like there was a citing issue.
Mhm.
I'll look into that. I think it's just citing, so it won't be bigger. But since like the back allowed going with this issue, I'll have to look into it to have more insights.
Okay. But as far as the chat, the scrolling and everything is now working. Sounds perfect except for the one pagination jump.
hmm Yeah, again, that pagination jump, like I can fix it, but
We can wait for an update. That's
yeah,
fine.
yeah. Like I found that workaround, but I was like, maybe this workaround will hurt the performance more. But like, yeah,
Yeah,
we'll wait.
it's not even that bad, so it's not worth it to do that.
Yeah, and yeah, also yeah, right. Like for now, it's not gonna be like lucky for us because it's just Q18, and it's like you're gonna notice it only when it's like you scroll in video and there's a text bar. If just
Yeah.
text or video, you won't notice it.
Oh, right. Okay. Um, okay. And the scrolling is nice and smooth. No jumping around like it doesn't lose frames. Or
No, no. Maybe later we can add that AI take that Ismail did. It was like saying like, yeah, I noticed too. The scrolling was a bit faster, and I
Mhm.
can see what the AI did there. It was like more of like you he used memorization. So yeah, we can use that too. Like the
should we
code.
use should we use that memoization in the current version just for now?
Yeah, we can because like it's just memorization. We can use it right now.
Okay. Ismail, I can't remember if you updated us on that. Did you go with that performance enhancement?
No, that was just experimental. I just had a test branch, and it's yeah. I sent it over to Amine just to kind of like, hey, if you like anything here, use it. If not, you could ignore it.
Yeah, I mean you checked it out pretty thoroughly, right?
Not
Me?
really fully, but like
Oh, I mean,
um yeah like there's two parts of it. There's like the memorization. There's he was changing some code for item types and estimate like and do estimate size. The estimation will not be a thing anymore, but the memorization that's fine. I think Ismail, you can just if you want to create a new PR out of it where you just like cherry pick the memorization you did and do another PR, we test it again and see if it's gonna
mm,
keep the scrolling smooth or not.
okay, but before I do that, I do have a PR related to cache for
Yeah.
that same file. So maybe if you want to get that in first, then I can
hmm
start on that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, there's like PRs that I need to review today, like from US Mail and Wells. So yeah, that's my first thing that I'm focusing on.
Okay. Okay, cool. Well, that's exciting. We're making big improvements. Um, okay, I'll let you guys handle that. But yeah, if Ismail, if you could work in that memoization and enhancements to the next build, that'd be great. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, we'll do.
Okay. I mean, did you have more updates?
I don't know, but something on the side, like I wanted to enable the React compiler it's like a thing that's gonna do auto memorization for us. But with the new architecture, I was having issues, so I was able to do it this weekend to
Hmm.
enable. But it's I don't want to really like because like the first thing that I did it the reason why I went and I did that React compiler, it's like I was like maybe there's some re-rendering going on as the scrolling happening, so with the auto memorization by React compiler would help. It did not, but it didn't auto memorize the chat. I didn't notice any significant improvements, but I think it might be helping. The React compiler might help somewhere else. So yeah, um, like right now, if like to have it enabled, like I needed to do some changes for the our config and everything. So it's
Tell
all
me,
happened.
like a little bit more description of what this thing is.
So React compiler, what it does, it just like it went through your source code
Mhm.
and it looks up for states that needs to be memoized, meaning it will not go unnecessary renders. It all happens automatically. Like we do it manually. Like for example, in the the like what Ismail did with the AI on like how he also memoized the AI also memoized the code, but now there's like a whole plugin you can name out plugin that's auto do that. So yeah, it's promising.
So
Uh,
it'll like scan the whole
mhm,
code base and
yeah,
find where you can memorize for
yeah,
improvement. Okay,
yeah. It does it all automatically. You don't have to worry about it.
interesting. And it did not work for you though?
I tried it for no. I don't know if it really works, but I tried it to see if it's gonna fix that jump with scrolling. But
Oh,
it did not because it was like another issue. It's not because things were re-rendering.
right, I got you. Did it fix other things, or like did it? Well, I get a better
Well,
question. Did it even make any other changes?
Well, I made it to specifically go only and auto memorize things for the chat list,
Hmm.
not anything else. Because you can do that because like you can gradually select what you want to auto memorize. Because I don't want it to go and
I
go
see.
through the whole app because it might break things. But
Right.
there's the option where you can like introduce it gradually. That's
I
what I
just want.
like. That's what.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What if you did it on place profiles? Because man,
Hmm.
I'm doing some weird things now with the scroll, especially if the place profile like fire up has a whole bunch of trust tips.
Right now with the new like on my branch new architecture or the app right now.
The new architecture.
Oh yeah, yeah, I could try, but like I'm sure like there's other issues that React Comply won't fix because we need to fix logic first. What's going
Yeah,
on there?
probably. Yeah.
So yeah, that's I just wanted to mention it this on the side. I'm not gonna bring it in now until like we have like a fully stable new architecture enabled for our app. Then we can introduce those little improvements. There's other like improvements that we can introduce step by step, but we have to have like a stable
I
version first.
see. So it can't just be dormant. Like if you introduce it, it.
Yeah,
Oh,
we can just introduce it. It's not gonna be enabled,
right.
and
Okay.
once we want, we can enable like per screen, per component.
Okay. That's great. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see if it helps like with the Discover feed, maybe.
Yeah, no, I'm
Um,
interested too.
Okay. Um. Yeah, Chantel, what's up?
I just noticed that the website is down, the Circles website, like the normal one.
Uh,
Um,
Todd
it
was working on that with I think
oh,
Ian or
okay.
Jerry. Todd, did you hear that?
Yeah, it's up as far as I can tell.
It's
It-
invest.circles.com automatically comes up if I just do circles.com. So I can't get
Yeah,
into the admin panel.
There's a workaround, Chantel. I'll send you the login link. Um, but then once you sign in through here, then you can go to the admin portal. It's
Okay.
it's just that page that is a redirect right now.
So wait, Chantel, Circles, the website's not down. It's just not the website you expected.
Yeah, it's the old
Right.
website.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is more of our investment. Yeah, because we got the last few days left of the campaign. We wanted to switch over to
Got
this.
it. There's actually not a button to invest on this invest website.
Good- Yeah,
Oh.
good. Perhaps we could put that up top, Jerry. A link to the WeFunder campaign.
What do y'all want it to look like? Yeah, that's a good idea.
How about like invest now button, just like a big one at the in that blue header at the top.
Okay. Yeah.
You know where it says circles in white. I'm on a desktop. I'm not exactly sure what it looks like on the mobile phone at the moment, but on the desktop it says circles on the left.
And circle store on the right.
Yeah, it doesn't need to say circles up there because it says circles down below. So maybe that should be the invest now button.
Okay.
You can swap it out.
Do you want me to use the Lottie or just a button?
Just a button. Make it
Okay.
easy. Yeah. Actually, a lot of it might be cool too.
The Lottie, I was thinking about that one that we have on the Discover feed right now, but
Right. Yeah, let's go with a button. So it's
Mhm.
there right away. Okay, cool. If possible too, maybe we can update the logo to our new font style. Maybe Chantel could work with you on that because it's got this older.
yeah, if she can send it. Well, if we're replacing the Circles logo, well, I guess the one underneath it.
Yeah, that big one. Yeah. Okay, cool.
One last thing, not a huge thing, but that button that says watch our working sessions, that doesn't work. It's a broken button.
Where's that?
It says transparency and trust. Watch our working session.
Oh, we have to redirect that because that was on the Rad Radio website. So I have
I
to.
don't even see it. Like top of the page, bottom of the page.
It's
Middle of the
something
page?
that-
No, it's towards the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, this was part since we're on the old page again, John. The sessions used to be hosted on radradio.com.
Okay.
That domain no longer works. Have to transfer it. We have it on circles.com now.
Okay. Were you did I hear Todd? Todd, were you gonna say something?
Yeah, it sounds like Jerry has the correct link, so we're good.
Cool.
Okay.
That was it
Great.
for me.
All right. Okay, thanks. I mean, was there any more you were gonna add?
No. So yeah, I'll just right now focus on reviewing the PRs. Also, I'm gonna create a build from whoever's asked for a build for his token stuff. So I'll do a build, and also I'll do a PR for the Snapchat work that since we have the app approved. And so yeah, I'll push a PR for that so we can start sharing to Snapchat.
Okay, fantastic.
Mm.
Great. We got everyone's updates. There wasn't really, I don't think anything that affected you, so you didn't miss anything there. And Wells is running late, so and I got a bunch of stuff to do today. We're gonna go ahead and end it there. Todd, I'll stay here with you, and I'll get Danny back. Or can you reach out to Danny?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Looks like Wells just arrived, actually. Let's go quickly. Hey, Wells, we're gonna make it a short stand-up today, but do you have a quick update?
Yes, sir. Let me just catch up on everything up to Friday.
Sure.
I'll be back in 2.
You're gonna be back?
But yeah, back with catch up.
Like in 2 minutes?
Yep. Just have to check the PRs.
Okay. Do you need anything from anyone at the moment?
I would like support from either Amine or Ismail to help me with my Android build. I did update my Android Studio, but I couldn't get the new build to run. I'm still running into the same error.
Okay.
But yeah,
who would be best to help with that? Would that be you?
That was for me.
Yeah, Wells needs help with his Android build.
Yeah, we can. I gotta look up into that. After the stand up, yeah, sure.
Okay.
And also, I couldn't work this morning, so I'll be working until late. So I make the whole day. So I'll be here with you guys until way up later today. I had a car issue this morning, and I got stuck in 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 traffic getting the car to the auto shop and all this stuff. But yeah, cool updates about Friday. I did update the bug strategy for us to investigating the token issue. So I did add something that I think will solve or at least make it more reliable on Android. I did added some auto retries and some more specific and explicit refreshes because ideally things should be more um, how can I say, more handled by Firebase, and that's how it's working on iOS, for example. So it does a lot of the job, and we don't necessarily need to be way too explicit about the token refresh strategy and etc. But for Android specifically, I added some code there that will make it so it is um, more decisive on how we should use the strategy, how we should refresh the tokens, and etc. So hopefully that will make it so we actually have it working on Android because so far it is not working only for some Android specific devices. And if that doesn't work, I also improved the logs. So we have way more logging now on Apollo related stuff. So we can see what's happening in the navigations, in the communication regarding the token, etc. And I added more information about the Firebase and the token on the screen. So on the screen already, we can know way more information. And on the logs, we can know also more information. So we can uh, debug that way more and hopefully have the extra steps we need in case the fix doesn't work. So yeah, we can generate a new build from that debug strategy. So the Shanto and Todd will have and Jerry will have the debug thingy when they press 3 times on the Circles build version, and in that console we will have way more information and way more logs for investigating the token issue if needed.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Alrighty. I'll let you and Amine work on that Android thing. We're gonna make it a short stand up today. I've got a busy day, busy week. Um,
Sounds good.
so yeah, go ahead and drop off. Everyone can disconnect from here and just use Slack if anybody has any questions or needs anything.
Sounds good.
All
Have a
right.
good one.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Like
Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Take care.
You're welcome. See you later.